Hi, welcome along, and in today's video we're going to have a little bit of Beatlemania for you. We're going to go right the way back to 1963 and do a great #1 song by the Fab Four called She Loves You. I'm sure you know it. If this sounds like your cup of tea, go grab your guitar and I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Right, She Loves You then, let's get straight into it. So let's start with the intro. It goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there's the intro for you. So let's show you how we do the intro. The intro's got a different strumming pattern to the main part of the song. It's more in common with the choruses. So let's start with that then. Chords we're going to need for the intro are as follows: E minor, then we've got A. I do my A like that. You can do your A like that. They're both valid. A. There we go. So we've got E minor to the A, to a C, to a G, okay? And the strum pattern we're going to do is a bit rhythmic. So we're going to go, mute your strings, lay your fingers over the strings, and we're going to go down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, down. Okay? Right, let's take that a bit slower. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, down. And that's when we change to the next chord. So, one more time and then we'll bring the chords into play. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, down. Okay, so let's do that. So, E minor first. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, down. Then A. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, down. Then C. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, down. G. When we get to the G, we don't do that down, down. We just do down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay. So let's go through that again. E minor first. 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. To the A. C. G. Okay, so what we can do next, you'll notice you can take this next bit or leave it. This is falling in the grounds of lead guitar. So this will be George Harrison's part. He goes there. So if you can bring that in the mix. So we've got E minor, A, C, G. Okay, so you can leave that bit or I can show you how to do it right now, which would be to bridge the second, so the third, second and first strings on the 3rd fret with your first finger. There we go. And what we're going to do, we're going to pluck them all at once. Predominantly the 3rd and the 2nd. And then we're going to, with our 3rd finger, be over on the 5th fret. You'll notice how we've gone from the 3rd fret, we've gone straight across with our 3rd finger onto this 4th string, the D string, in the 5th fret. So we're going to be holding down the 4th and the 3rd string in the 5th fret. So we go, and then back to it. And then with our 2 middle fingers, the 2nd and 3rd fingers, we're going to hold the 2nd and 3rd strings, the G string and the B string in the 5th fret, and bend them up. So we're going to go, and then back to the 3rd fret again, and then back to that D string on the 5th fret. Slowly for you. Right, back to the song again. So you'll notice how we've got a different strum pattern for the main section. We've got down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. Mute the strings, they go like this. Down, down, up, down, up. Taking it slowly for you. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Right, we're going to get straight in there with a G chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, G. E minor. And then B minor. I'll hold that up for you. B minor's like that. You can bar this one. Sounds better if you do. In the song, we've got a B minor like that. And then later on, we've got a C minor, which is literally moving it up one semitone. So there's your B minor. And that'll be your C minor. Okay, so just for future reference. There we go. So we'll get back to the verse again. So we've got down, down, up, down, up. Here we go with a G chord. Down, down, up, E minor, B minor, D. Same sequence again. G, E minor, B minor, D. And then next bit is the same strum pattern, but we're going to accentuate. We're going to play 3 beats and then rest for this first bar of G. This is the bit that goes, because she loves you. It's that bit. So we go. So let me put all that together. So we've got G, E minor, B minor, D, and again, G, E minor, B minor, D, down, down, up, G. See what I did there? So we go down, down, and then it carries on to the E minor. So what I did there was I went down, down, up for that first bar of G. That's the bit that goes, because she loves you. Okay, and then we carry on with the strum pattern we had before. And down, down, up, down, up, E minor. Then C minor, D. Then the whole section again, G, E minor, B minor, D, G, E minor, B minor, D, G, and down, G, E minor, C minor, D. Okay, we'll get into the chorus in a second. You'll notice, again, optional, that E minor we've got there, we can do this little thing with our little finger. I'll just show you. So it goes. So we got, because she loves you and you know that can't be bad. You go, love you, G, E minor, and then C minor, D. So if you wanted to put that in, all we're doing is we're just E minor, but with our little finger we're going 3rd fret on the 1st string, then 2nd fret on the 1st string, and then plain old E minor, which by plain old E minor we're playing this E string open. So all together. Okay, so that's another little George Harrison embellishment you can lay on the top there. Right, chorus. We've got E minor, yeah. So we're back to the introduction strum pattern, which was the. Okay, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, down. So we're in an E minor chord. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. A. And then this is the bit that goes, with a love like that. We've got C minor. C minor, so it's literally just 1, 2, 3, D, then G. Right, then we're gonna go, it goes, there's a repeat. So after we've done so if you imagine the chorus, we've got E minor, yeah, 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 then A, C minor, D, G. We're going to go from G to an E minor because we're going to go repeat, repeat. So, with a love like that, then D, G, run down. C minor, C minor, C minor, and then D, no you should. And then we're going to go to the finish, which is G, E minor, C. Right, now that end chord is such a Beatles chord. It's a G6. Very simple to do a G6. All we're doing is taking our finger off the bottom string. And if you're playing your G like that, it'll be take your third finger off. I play my G like that, so I'm going to take my little finger off. Basically, we're after playing this E string open. So it's literally just hold down the top two fingers of your G chord. And it gives us that G6. Yeah, 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 yeah. So let's go through that end bit. She loves you, yeah. E minor, C. So there we have it. She Loves You by the Fab Four, the Beatles. How did you get along with this one? Let me know down in the comment section below. Always love to read your comments. And if there's any other songs you'd like me to show you how to play in a future video, again, let me know down in the comment section below. If you've liked today's video, please can you click like and subscribe for me. A big thank you to those that have done that for me already. Thank you so much. Always appreciated. Until the next video then, take great care of yourselves and I'll see you then. Take care. Bye-bye.